Virgo, 2025 is your year of growth, self-discovery, and exciting opportunities. The universe is aligning to help you break free from old patterns, embrace your authentic self, and manifest the life you've always envisioned. With Saturn in Pisces directly opposing your sign, you'll feel pushed to find balance between self-discipline and surrender. Before we dive into your health, career, finances, and love life, take a moment to like this video. Your support truly matters. And don't forget to share your hopes for 2025 in the comments. I can't wait to hear about your dreams for the year ahead. Now, let's uncover what the stars have in store for you. Virgo, your health and well-being are under the spotlight in 2025. Saturn in Pisces, opposing your sign, asks you to slow down and find harmony between work and rest. The first quarter of the year is a time to reflect on your habits. Are you overloading yourself with responsibilities? Now's the moment to set boundaries and create space for self-care. When Jupiter moves into Taurus in May, you'll feel a surge of vitality and motivation. This is an excellent time to take up a new fitness routine or outdoor activities that help you stay grounded. Incorporate small, consistent changes. They'll yield big results by year's end. Watch out for emotional stress, particularly around August when Neptune's energy could feel overwhelming. Practices like journaling or therapy can help you process your emotions and avoid burnout. Remember, Virgo, your well-being is the foundation for everything else. Get ready, Virgo. 2025 brings major career breakthroughs. With Jupiter lighting up your sector of growth and expansion, especially from May onward, this is your time to shine. Opportunities for travel, education, or professional development could arise. Don't hesitate to seize them. The solar eclipse in March marks a turning point. It may bring clarity on what truly fulfills you at work. Whether it's a promotion, a new role, or even a shift to a different career path, trust that the changes are leading you to something better. Around mid-year, Uranus in Taurus encourages innovative thinking. You might find yourself drawn to new technologies, unconventional methods, or creative collaborations. Stay open-minded. This is the time to break out of the mold and showcase your unique skills. Financially, 2025 is a steady and rewarding year for you, Virgo. Saturn's influence encourages careful budgeting and long-term planning, especially in the first half of the year. If you've been thinking about saving for a major purchase or investment, now is the perfect time to set clear goals. Jupiter's move into Taurus in May brings financial opportunities, especially through education, teaching, or creative ventures. If you're considering side projects or freelance work, you'll likely see strong returns by mid-year. However, stay cautious in October when Mercury's retrograde could cause delays in payments or financial misunderstandings. Double-check contracts and avoid impulsive purchases during this period. With patience and planning, Virgo, you'll come out on top. Your love life takes on a deeply transformative energy in 2025. For those in a relationship, Saturn in Pisces may challenge you to confront unspoken issues or old patterns. These moments, while intense, are opportunities to build stronger, healthier foundations with your partner. Pay attention to the eclipses in March and September. They'll be pivotal for clarity and renewal. If you're single, 2025 holds exciting potential for new connections. Venus retrograde in January might bring someone from your past back into the picture. Use this time to reflect on what you truly want in a partner. By summer, Jupiter's influence makes romantic opportunities flourish, particularly in June and July. Keep an open heart. Love could show up in unexpected ways. Whether you're navigating a long-term relationship or stepping into something new, Virgo, 2025 asks you to prioritize authenticity and emotional depth. This is a year of evolution, balance, and new possibilities. As you navigate the changes ahead, trust in your inner wisdom and remember, you're capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more insights and exclusive content just for you. Together, let's make 2025 your best year yet.